Greetings to everyone. Merchandise coming soon. Perusing the news. Let's get right at it, family, because I know your time is important. In fact, this is the first thing I want to talk about is Don Lemon. Family, I just don't know. Uh, I knew Don was speaking out, was being very vocal, and knowing the president, thick, thin skin, I kind of anticipated and spoke about it that he might would retaliate
having regressive
against
conversations. I'm tired of trying to
Don.
teach people how to
Let's
be
see what some
not
guests on the
racist,
show is
try to
talking
teach people
about.
how to see the humanity in gay people or trans people or black people or immigrants.
Okay, fine. I'm just gonna get it to work.
And, I have gotten some texts from some friends of mine in Oklahoma that for sure Republicans, for sure triple Trumped, and their housekeeper gets deported. And then they text me and then they say, "Hey, thanks for speaking out for immigrants." And I'm just like, oh, Jesus Christ. But here's the thing, I'm happy that they're finally there. And I say, I've always stood here and I'm going to continue to stand here. Welcome
Okay,
aboard.
family. Yeah,
But I'm not really interested in talking to somebody who
we'll
hasn't
go
figured this
back
out yet.
to.
And maybe I'm just resentful about
Uh,
all of this. And maybe that's a me
let me
problem.
just turn this one off. I think I got it. Uh, family. Uh, It breaks my heart. It's no other way to say it. As a content creator, however small I am, it puts a cloud of intimidation, of fear. Trust me, family, as small as I am, I'm watching what I say. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no heat. I don't want any kickback. I've been through that in the 60s. I mentioned that in some of my videos. We'll be telling you more about it as I continue to do this program, perusing the news, and going into some of my cases where you learn a little bit more about my background, particularly in the 60s. I kind of know real hand what Don is going through when you get targeted. But right quick, family, let's see if there's anything else uh, in the YouTube world that might get my attention while we're exploring. That's where I wanted to get. Perusing the YouTube news. 3 million Epstein's filed. A lot of people feel that all this distraction from the administration is all about avoiding attention on the Epstein file. And what I understand that he's in a lot of these files, 3 million. Wow. Guy, or when the FBI investigate, they investigate. Okay. Hope you can see that scrolling. You might see something that you want to get back to later on these YouTube streets. So, family, we're going to stop right here. I can get back to yours truly. Uh, let's see, family. That's where I want to get. Yours truly. We'll continue to do these programs, perusing the news, the regular news, and the YouTube news, both recorded and live. I really want to do more live where you can chat in during live time and give me your comments. Looking for my chat here on StreamYard. Okay. Or do I add a comment? We'll figure that out later, family. How to add chat, even when you see the recording later. But family, friends, loved ones, in the meantime, if you have legal questions, particularly the ones that's been bugging you, I'm still your best answer. Not your only answer, but your best answer. Dial me up. You see my credentials. I've been doing this a long time, over 30 years. Don't see, there's my phone number. You see my phone number, dial me up. Let's see if I have an answer, a solution, or a remedy for you. Thanks a million. And be careful out there, friend. It's a little crazy in America.